DJT stock Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Trump Media stock, it is beneath the price. Now I'm just going to remove everything and kind of show you the broader picture on it. If you remember, the WAC was also here. But we had a pretty crazy expansion. And if we would have made the arguments, do you know what's still holding the price up eventually in a bullish monthly break and range? Is this demand area. And we are sitting exactly there. So this is why I'm saying still, and why I'm open to the bullish idea. I'm not closing myself to this bullish idea. I'm going to take it up if the price shows me this. Let me show you. Let's kind of make it bigger. I was waiting for a daily double break, and guess what I'm waiting for right now? The exact same thing, but we have new candles, which is going to be this thing here. If there is a full candle close above 20-ish bucks, not just once, 2 times, then we're speaking. So I'm talking something like this. So yeah, man, like, let me just mark up the highs. This is going to be normal, and I'm just waiting. Like, this is really going to be a crazy buy for me if the rules are met, but other than that, I'll keep you updated. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.